Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find out who views our TikTok profile. So maybe there are people who want to know your profile and they view your profile and you want to know which one of them open your profile. So what you guys can do is open the TikTok and then go to your profile, and then here at your profile you can see at the top there is this picture with a tree on it, so you can actually see who view your profile by clicking on this, and this is the account that views your profile. You can see here is the list of mine, and you can see it on your TikTok profile also. Okay guys, so that is how you can find out who views our TikTok profile, and that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click on subscribe and also like this video. Thank you guys.